Okay, here's a short video of this little fella. He's actually pretty chill for his age. He's not squirming. He's got showing good confidence already. He's actually the first one to approach when I go into the nursery. He's the first one to approach out of the 4. Trying to get a good lighting. It's kind of a muggy day out here. There we go. Yeah, he's a good little boy. As you can see, he's got a little white on his chin. He's got some white on his chest right there. Show the chest, little fella. White spot on his chest. Little white patch on his head. Hold him up like that. See his coat. He's got a beautiful coat. Nice light red color. See his face. He's got a super short face. He's gonna have that. He's gonna look like a teddy bear when he grows up. Be a little teddy bear. Here, I'm gonna get this side angle for you, fella. Yeah. He's a good boy. Who's a good boy? I'm a good boy. Like I said, you can just tell he's not squirming, trying to get away. He's not fearful in any way. He's a good boy. He's such a good boy. He's a good video taker. And that's him.